Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. If you remember my video I shared almost 4 days ago with you, I told you how whales are buying Bitcoin during this dip from a specific zone. And in today's video, we will take a look at that zone as well. And we will also take a look at this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and obviously at this big breakout from this down channel as well. And I also want to show you this big harmonic bullish reversal cipher move that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January when this pattern was completed. But before moving to the charts, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to the chart, and first of all let me to show you this 4-hourly time frame. And here we have been watching that Bitcoin was moving in this falling wedge pattern, and recently we had a fake out here and the price line re-entered here, and this was a really strong support, and the price line again bounced well and broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And the target for this falling wedge, it can be here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $44,000. Now if we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then here we have already broken out the resistance of the down channel. And when we were having a drop yesterday, I told you that how Bitcoin is testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support. This was the video, by the way, and also I told you another in this video as well. And you can see that the price line has tested the support. We have only a spike up to this channel, and very lucky people bought the Bitcoin here at this support of the channel that was previously working as a resistance, now working as a support. Now the next resistance, very significant resistance, I told you, is at $39,500 that Bitcoin needs to break out for any big move, and right now we have just hit that resistance. But if we take a look at this 21 exponential moving average, then that is at $40,000. Therefore we should also look at the $40,000 resistance as well. So I'm just going to place this trend line rather than $39,500 to $40,000 due to this EMA 21, because we have another resistance of EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart there. And we can see that previously this $39,000 to $40,000 has been breaking as a strong support here, and resistance here, and resistance here as well. So many places it has been breaking as a nice support and resistance. Therefore we need to break out this level in order to make any big move from here. Now let's talk about this big harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and I also have been sharing this pattern with you as well. And let me to play the chart and show you how the price line behaved after that. When we were entering in this buying zone, I told you that we are having a nice hidden bullish divergence on this weekly time frame, as the price line was forming a higher low than previous low, and the RSI oscillator was forming lower than previous low. And we also had a very nice support of the 100 simple moving average in the buying zone. And this buying zone, by the way, is starting from $36,100 and goes to $28,800. Now if we play the chart, then we can see that the price line reversed well, went very close to this sell zone, but did not reach to this sell zone so far. And we are having some correction, and after this correction I'm expecting that we may make another attempt to enter in this sell zone that starts from $46,339 and goes to $57,167. Now let's take a look at this very big buying zone that I have been telling you. This is a very big and very nice opportunity to buy the Bitcoin from this dip. Whenever the Bitcoin is entering in this zone that starts from $35,000 and goes to $28,600, and this $28,600 is a very strong support. It works as a strong support here and here as well. Therefore if the price line moves more down, then it will be a very strong support for the Bitcoin. Right now we can see that $28,600 and the maximum extent of this harmonic bullish reversal cipher that goes to $28,800 are very close to each other. Therefore it is really very strong support. Now we need to take a look at 2 points. One is to break out this resistance of $40,000 here, and the other point is if we form another higher low than previous low on the weekly time frame, if we take a look at the weekly time frame, then here we formed this low. Now we are likely to form a higher low than previous low, then there will be a very high probability that we will start making higher highs as well. Now we are almost at the end of the week, very close to the end of the week, and we can see that a bullish candlestick has appeared. We have already formed this low here, and if the next will be closed somewhere here, then another higher low than previous low will be formed. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.